Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the first video. Let's transform this unattractive design into a visually stunning infographic. Start with the header and subtitle. Also create some shape to make it look even better. From the Shapes tab, select the diamond shape. To soften the sharp corners, draw a shape similar to mine, the store date shape, and position it at each sharp corner to round them off. Follow my steps. Once positioned, you'll notice a small overlap of one shape in front of the other. We need to subtract this section. To do that, create another shape. Place it over the overlapping area, and then subtract it from the shape you want. Remember, when subtracting, always select the first shape, then the second one. Now place this at each corner of the diamond shape and subtract to create soft edges. Remember, when subtracting, select the diamond shape first, followed by the four corner shapes. Now we need to add two more shapes to enhance the design further. Just follow my steps carefully. Once the design is complete, group all the shapes and duplicate them 4 times. You can also use this infographic for 6 steps by duplicating it 6 times. Make the necessary adjustments and change the colors as well. Afterward, simply copy and paste the text, align everything properly, add some icons, and voila! For more elegantly designed PowerPoint slides, subscribe to my channel, Rafa. Take care and see you next time.